Good morning, students. Today we are learning chapter number 3, Managing Files and Folder, page number 28. In this chapter you will learn what is file, what is folder, and managing files and folder. What is file? File is a workspace where you can save your information, you can write your information, then you can save. Where you can save your file? Into folder. Folder contain files. You can also divide folder into subfolder. Folder just like your room. Now, Window Explorer. Window Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files. You can see detailed information by the use of Window Explorer option. How to open Window Explorer? To open Window Explorer, press shortcut key from keyboard Window plus E. Window key, this is window key and this is E. This is a window of Window Explorer. Window Explorer. This side, this pane is known as navigation pane. Left pane is navigation pane. And this is right pane. Right pane is called detail pane. In navigation pane, so name of the files and folder, and here detail of files and folder. Suppose you want to know detail of G drive. Click on G drive. Here G drive folder. G drive folder and files. Yellow mark icon is called folder, and without yellow mark icon, file. Suppose you want to know details of class 3 folder. So class 3 contain this type of files and some subfolder. Now you want to know detail of particular file. Here class 4. Class 4 storage device. This file date modified means where this file made 3 April 2020 and time is also 21:57 means in night 9:57. This is a PDF file and this file contain 136 KB information. 136 KB information means size of this file 136 KB. Here folder, yellow symbol mark folder. This is a folder and this is a subfolder of class 3. Here folder information also display 27 April 2020 and night 9:31. Okay, this is Window Explorer. Now how to make a folder? When you want to make a folder, right click on blank space window. Right click on blank space window. Right click, then go on new option. In new option, click on folder option. Here you can see your new folder, then give name of folder and type name class 5. This is your folder class 5. Here see nothing in this folder. Now suppose you want to rename this folder, then right click again. Here is a last. In last you see option rename. Rename. Click on rename. Then again provide new name of the folder. computer. So here is the way then you can create folder and changing name of folder by the use of rename option. Now this folder, how to save file? Suppose you want to create a file and save into this folder. Then create file, open MS Word. Open MS Word, click on Start button, then Microsoft Office. Your next chapter is also MS Word, Microsoft Office and Word 2007. Here MS Word is starting. Now type some matter. Now you want to save this file into that folder. Click on file menu, click on this option. Here is save. Your folder is on desktop. So choose desktop here. This PC desktop. Your folder name computer. Double click on this. Now save your file, class 5. Give file name class 5 and click save. Minimize this. Now here is your folders. Double click on this. You can see your file on this folder class 5. In next video you learn moving or copying files.